Never grow shiitake mushrooms like this. One inoculation can yield harvests for 5 to 10 years. First, find this kind of free wood outdoors. It can be from many different tree species, like oak trees, for example. Locust trees also work, but never use pine. Bring the wood home and drill holes into it. Space the holes 10 to 15 centimeters apart. Drill 3 to 5 centimeters deep. Now it's time to fill the holes with spawn. The spawn is fermented from shiitake mushroom tissue. First, crush it inside a container. Then use a tool to fill it into the holes, or you can even press it in by hand. Tool-packed spawn is usually tighter and fuller. This step is repetitive and time-consuming. Finally, you need to seal the holes. Use wax or bark to cover the openings to prevent contamination from wild bacteria, which could ruin the shiitake spawn, and you'll get no mushrooms. Once inoculated, take the wood logs and place them in a cool, ventilated spot. It can be outdoors or in a small courtyard. Stack the logs in a crisscross jing pattern. During the mycelium growth phase, you can flip the logs occasionally and spray them with water to keep humidity and temperature balanced. After 6 months of mycelium growth, the mushrooms will start popping out when temperatures are right. 15 to 25 degrees Celsius is ideal for fruiting. When the mushroom caps are 70 to 80% opened and the edges curve inward slightly, that's the best time to harvest. After harvesting, stop watering, increase ventilation. Wait about 2 weeks for new mushroom buds, then raise humidity to encourage growth again. This cycle can repeat for 5 to 10 years, depending on the wood's hardness and thickness.